Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy hot chocolate recipe. No dairy milk or refined sugar. A super healthy vegan hot chocolate recipe which can be enjoyed by those with health issues like PCOS, thyroid, or by those who has intolerance to dairy milk in their weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make dairy-free vegan hot chocolate, I have already soaked about 7 to 8 almonds overnight. It's very important that you soak the almonds overnight to help release the phytic acid content in the almonds. Almonds, when soaked and peeled, helps in better nutrient absorption. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in the overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup water. For sweetness I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft, hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, if your dates is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it in water before blending it up. And I'm going to blend this really well until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Okay, now everything is nicely blended and you can see how creamy the mix is. And my creamy almond milk lightly sweetened with dates is ready. I'm transferring the blended ingredients into a steel mug. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon organic instant coffee powder. The addition of coffee powder will kick up the chocolate flavor, and this is entirely optional. If you don't prefer coffee, you can totally skip it. Into my saucepan I'm adding in 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. Give it a good mix. Once nicely mixed, turn on the flame and bring this to a boil. And once it starts to boil, turn off the flame and pour the hot cocoa mix. With a spoon, give this a good mix. I'm going to show my grandmother's trick to make the hot chocolate frothy. Pouring the hot chocolate mix into the saucepan, pour it back into the mug. I'm doing this process a couple of times. This will also help to blend everything really well, along with making it a little frothy. And lastly, I'm pouring it into a serving glass. And my super healthy dairy-free vegan hot chocolate is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy vegan hot chocolate and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.